What a day today in the market. What's going on, team? Johnny Trades back with another video, and we are doing really good. We are up 5.75%, as you can see on the top right side, over $112. It even got up to highs of $120 today. And this has to do with the overall NASDAQ market pumping up from $587 in overnight hours yesterday after, what was 5 days of selling pressure, and now bouncing off of that $587 mark, pushing up to $609 in a single day, up almost 2% on the day. So very great start to Friday morning. If you guys watched our live day trading session, you would know basically what's behind this trade here, that we're up 500 or 5%, almost 6%. Bitcoin pushing up very nicely as well from lows of $60,000, finding some support and pushing up over 7%, guys. 7% in a single day, back up to 71,000. Now curling over. It has been testing this 45 EMA pretty much all day, showcasing that it is bullish. Now, if it drops below this moving average, then it will actually begin to sell off, and we could see a nice 4% sell off here. MSTR also solid, bouncing off of $100 support in the overnight hours. Now, remember, MSTR reported their earnings yesterday. We did go live with our LTE team and covered it, so you can go back and watch that video after this. But they had a $17 billion unrealized loss. And I believe, this selling pressure here probably already factored in before the actual earnings report was captured, because it only sold off about 1 or 2% and then had a bounce from $100 all the way up to $134. MSTR up over 33% in a single day, which is good for us, because when this does begin to curl over and decide to go back down to previous levels, maybe even like 115, 120, to retest that 200-day moving average, then you can see this is down a potential of 11%, which means our MSTZ, which would be a two times inverse leverage, so two times leveraged inverse ETF, which means if MSTR does sell off 11%, this can actually push up, even, wow, look at that. This could push up almost 50%. Now, it's two times leverage, so again, just showcasing if it breaks below the moving average, this can sell off 10%, and if MSTZ begins to cross over this moving average around 1660, then again, we could potentially make 20 to even 40% profit on this move when it decides to go back up. Now, MSTZ pushed up to $31 during that sell-off period. And for anyone who has been watching our live day trading sessions, know that we've been trading and shorting MSTR by utilizing MSTZ from lows of even $10, $13, $15. And in this past week, it broke that resistance around this red line around $17 and pushed all the way up to $31 in 3 days, which was an 80% profit for anyone who bought down at those lows and sold at those highs. $14 per share, guys. On 100 shares, that is an incredible amount of money for 100 shares. So currently we're up 5.86%. And if you guys want to watch me trade live every morning, as soon as Monday morning coming up, all you have to do is click the description, or I'm sorry, the first link in the description below, and you will get access to our future live day trading sessions and our previous live day trading sessions going all the way back to May 2024. So we have over 2 years of morning live streams archived in our Discord. And I did want to bring this up to you guys here, our Discord. It is a great community of like-minded individuals. We just got another couple people in today. We're continuously growing, anywhere from 3 to 5 to sometimes even 10 new members every single day in the Discord. Again, this is 100% free lifetime access for the first 1,000 members. We have 40 online right now, and we have another 684 offline doing other things, probably at work, school, etc. But there's like what, maybe 250 free spots left, and then moving forward, once we cross over those 1,000 members, we will charge a small fee. Now it's a one-time fee, lifetime access once we get to that point, but right now we have a lot of people commenting and talking in here. You can join our like-minded individuals. We got memes, we got off-topic chats, we got a lot of cool stuff in this community, so definitely consider joining if you haven't already. And looks like there's people locking in profits today. So awesome. Some people are up 5%. This person's up 18%. So beautiful day. This person's up 6.5%. And I mean, we're seeing people win. We're seeing people winning in the market. They're sharing their profits. They're even sharing their losses. We have a trade recaps chat room as well in the Discord where you can go in. You can see my trades where I'm successful and even trades that I'm not so successful, as well as other people's trades who are actually finding success in the market as well. So it's a great community. Definitely check it out. First link in the description below. But other than that, you know, we're still up over $100 on the day. And this brings me to the point of the day. Okay, remember that when you are trying to take a trade, don't try to force a trade. Okay, we did a great job today by not forcing a trade. Market direction, or even the stock you're looking at, the direction was not in our favor today for MSTZ. There was a couple of points where I wanted to buy at certain levels when we started to see some consolidation, but I didn't. I did a great job by not having the fear of missing out. I did a great job by not forcing a trade to happen. Just because I wanted it to happen does never mean that it has to happen. Okay, I want you guys to know that. It's all about trading the trend. And when the direction is not in your favor, don't take the trade. Now, the people or the trade we could have potentially taken, and some of our LTE members did take this trade, buying MSTU at $4.16 and selling at $5.45 resulted in a 31% profit for some of our traders today. Okay, they saw an opportunity and they were able to lock in over $1.29 per share. Market is in their favor today. The direction was in their favor. It was above the 45 EMA. It was above the 200-day EMA, and this resulted in a beautiful trade. Now, a lot of these people who traded this today used a trailing stop loss. So that means when this pushed up initially, they were automatically in the green. It was a risk-free trade because their stop loss is now above their average price. And we could showcase that. If you're buying it at 420, we will put a green line. That is your average price. Now, as the company pushes up, you can see it begin to what? It kind of staggers and stair steps its way up, has these small little dips, right? All the way up until it comes to here. Now, with those stair steps up, you can then raise your trailing stop loss. Okay, now I'm up 2%, 3%. Now I'm up 5%. I'm up 10%. I'm going to put this to 480 because it pushed up to $5. That's a 20-cent stop loss. Okay, now it broke $5. It pushed up to $5.13. I'm going to put my stop loss at $5. And before you know it, you have this huge spread of profits because remember, your buy-in or your average price was $4.20. Now you're up 80 cents, right? It pulls back a little bit. It doesn't get stopped out at this level. It actually comes down, pushes up even more, and you raise your stop loss even higher. Now it pushed up to 545. Maybe you have a trailing stop loss around 523. And when this finally does come down, then you can lock in profits. Maybe push it up to 534. And again, once it hits this level, you sell out of your position, you lock in profits, and that's how we're winning. That's how we're consistently locking in profits every single day. All right, so if you guys want to be a part of our community, definitely consider subscribing to this channel, smashing the like button, and joining our Discord. Okay, the markets are pushing up. They don't have to continue to push up. They can, or they can begin to retrace and come back down to even lower levels. But what we did a great job today on was having some swing trades that benefited us, and we're now up $116 time of recording. We have a potential to make much more. We're talking anywhere from $500 to $1,000 in profits on about 3 swing trades, and we're going to keep it going. We're going to keep making sure that we follow up with our team and our trades as we make newer highs on these swing trades. So I appreciate you guys' time. Remember, smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And we will see you all in this week's Sunday Stock Talk that we host weekly. So make sure you have a stock pick in mind, because we will go over a few stocks that I'm interested in and a few stocks that some of our LTE members are also interested in. And consider joining our Discord. First link in the description below, so you have access to our future and past live streams at Market Open when we do go live. We go live Monday through Friday, and we're consistently locking in profits. So I hope to see you all there. Have a great day. Enjoy your weekend, and we'll see you Sunday and Monday. Later, team.